Good evening, YouTube family, and welcome back to the Jolly Owl. Tonight, I'm going to be reviewing a Christmas gift of mine that I really enjoy. It's a cocktail smoker kit. We make in a Rusty Nail, which is one of my favorite cocktails, and it's a simple cocktail. It's just a 2-to-1 ratio of Drambuie to Scotch, and in this case, I use a little bit of lemon with it as well, which I think the official recipe calls for that. With this smoker, it does impart a smoky flavor to it, so I like to use a Spayside Scotch, which has some more floral notes. It just makes it an interesting flavor overall. You could really use whatever Scotch you want to use. In this case, it's an 18-year Glenlivet. The actual smoker itself is a pretty neat little kit. It's got a nice lighter right here, and I'll put these the links down in the description, and affiliate links, of course. You don't necessarily have to use my link. You could just Google the actual product or find whatever type of kit that you like. It is important for you to have a butane torch like this with the flame coming out, because when you put it down over the glass, it actually burns the chips and pushes the smoke into the glass. So you can see here how that works. It doesn't take much either. So to get this started, this kit actually comes with a couple of different types of chips: cherry, cinnamon, there's orange. I like to use the hickory myself, ginger. So there's a couple of different types of wood you get with this. You have the actual device itself, which is nothing more than hollowed out wood with a screen in it that you drop the wood chips down over. And I also have for this lemon, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a product link for this, but this actually gets inserted in the lemon. It actually becomes like a little sprayer, and I like to use that in my Scotch glasses. And of course, whenever you're dealing with any type of mixed drink, you want to get the best ice that you possibly can. Really, it's just get clear ice. In this case, I made the ice much ahead of time. So I got a clear rock here. What I like to do is get my lemon prepared first. And I'll try to speed through this so as not to bore you. So with this sprayer, you just cut off the top there, and you take this and you insert it, and it's got a little bit of a screw type mechanism on it, and it goes down, creates a seal over your lemon here, and then you can, I don't know if you could see that, squirts the lemon out. So in this case, I like to give it some gentle squirts around here. Gentle squirts, that sounds perverted. We have that. Set that off to the side. Oh, I'm not a bartender, as you can tell. I just like to have a cocktail every once in a while. So we'll be using my hickory chips. So again, I use 2 ounces of the Scotch. This is a lovely Scotch. Even the smell is just, it's got a great smell. 18-year Glenlivet, good stuff. And then Drambuie, you pretty much get anywhere. Daddy's gonna sleep good tonight. All right, so we have our cocktail. You take your mechanism, you can see there's no wood in it right now. Take that, and all you need is just a little pinch, like so. And other YouTube channels actually probably do better reviews than me, but really easy to use. So you just light that up, smoke it for a little bit, put that down over the top, and you can see the smoke building up in the glass there. I typically don't leave it on for that long, but I do. If you wanted to leave it for a few minutes and just let it settle, or have people watch the presentation of it, certainly, feel free. They say the longer that you leave the smoke in the glass, the smokier it gets. I haven't really noticed any difference in terms of the length. So as soon as you have smoke in the glass, it imparts that flavor. And it really is a nice flavor with in this case it's a Spayside Scotch, and I'm sure you could use it for any other cocktail that you would potentially be interested in smoking. So in this case, you'll see when I take it off, it's just nice and smoky. Awesome presentation. I do recommend this product. Ooh, it has such a good smell, and I'm a fan of smoky type things. So this really works for me. So it does give the drink a different character. I do definitely recommend this cocktail smoker kit. It's I guess it says Willis Koo smoker kit. I'll link it in the description again, and I will try to find this the lemon squirter here. Yeah, so cheers. That's delicious.